Mustard oil, a culinary treasure with a rich history. Mustard oil, a culinary treasure that has traveled through the centuries, is much more than just a condiment. It is a symbol of tradition, health, and flavor. Its history dates back to ancient India, where mustard seeds were used not only in cooking, but also in traditional medicine, a legacy that persists to this day. At the heart of every drop of this oil lies a rich cultural heritage that has crossed continents and eras, transforming the cuisine of diverse cultures. Mustard seeds have been venerated since ancient times. In ancient Greece and Rome, they were believed to possess almost magical properties. Not only were they used to flavor food, but they were also attributed with healing benefits. The ancient Greeks used them to treat various ailments, convinced that their power extended beyond mere nutrition. In traditional Indian medicine, the use of mustard oil has flourished as a natural remedy for a variety of conditions, from digestive issues to inflammation. This recognition of their medicinal properties has been one of the pillars that has maintained their relevance throughout the centuries. Today, mustard oil has found its place in modern cooking, especially in Indian cuisine. Its spicy and robust flavor is an essential component in creating curries, marinades, and sauces. Imagine an aromatic curry where mustard oil not only acts as a vehicle for flavors, but also elevates each ingredient to new heights. Every spoonful is an explosion of taste that transports you to the vibrant markets of India, where spices and aromas blend in a feast for the senses. But mustard oil is not just a delight for the palate. Its health benefits are equally impressive. Rich in omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, this oil has earned its place in the diet of those looking to care for their hearts. Studies have shown that these fatty acids can contribute to cardiovascular health by reducing the risk of heart disease. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory properties make it a natural ally for those suffering from conditions like arthritis. The ability of mustard oil to reduce swelling and pain is a testament to its healing power, a legacy that dates back to its origins in ancient medicine. Digestion also benefits from the incorporation of mustard oil into the diet. Its ability to stimulate the digestive system enhances nutrient absorption, making it an ideal complement for salads and light dishes. Imagine a vibrant salad, bursting with colors and textures, dressed with mustard oil that elevates every bite. This oil not only adds a fresh and unique flavor, but also contributes to healthy digestion, making each meal an experience that is not only delicious, but also nutritious. In addition to its culinary applications, mustard oil has carved out a niche in personal care. Its ability to keep skin hydrated and hair healthy makes it a valuable ingredient in beauty products. Many people use it as a massage oil, taking advantage of its relaxing properties and its capacity to improve circulation. In a world where the demand for natural and organic products is on the rise, mustard oil emerges as a versatile ally that combines tradition with modernity. Incorporating mustard oil into your daily diet is simple and rewarding. Its versatility allows it to be used in a variety of dishes, from salad dressings to marinades for meats and vegetables. A standout destination in Madrid is Cantina 33, a restaurant that has skillfully integrated mustard oil into its culinary offerings. Located at Calle Campomanes 5, Cantina 33 is a must-visit for food lovers. Their menu, filled with creativity and flavor, provides the opportunity to experience how this oil transforms dishes, adding a special touch that can't be found anywhere else. When you visit Cantina 33, you won't just enjoy delicious food, you'll embark on a culinary journey that celebrates the richness of ingredients like mustard oil. And the vibrant salads dressed with this oil offer an experience that awakens the senses and invites you to discover the depth of flavors. Each bite is a reminder of the history carried by this ingredient, from its origins in the ancient lands of India to the contemporary dishes served at a restaurant in Madrid. The narrative of mustard oil is a tale of tradition and modernity, of health and flavor, that continues to evolve over time. From its humble beginnings in India to its popularity in global cuisine, this oil has proven to be an essential ingredient that transcends borders and cultures. Its legacy endures in every dish, in every bottle, and in every story told about its use and benefits. So, the next time you find yourself in the kitchen, remember the power of mustard oil. Whether you use it to dress a salad, marinate meat, or simply explore new flavors, this ingredient will connect you with centuries of history and tradition. And if you're in Madrid, don't forget to visit Cantina 33 to experience firsthand how this oil can transform your culinary journey. With every bite, you'll be participating in a narrative that has been written throughout history, a narrative that celebrates flavor, health, and the diversity of cuisine.